Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should start by powering on the watch and confirming it has at least 20% charge so the process won't interrupt. Next, install the Xiaomi Wear or Zepp Life app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. The app discovers devices only when permissions are allowed. Sign into your Xiaomi account or continue as a guest so settings and watch faces can sync. Once done, open the app and choose Add Device. Make sure to keep the watch screen visible so the phone can detect its pairing code. Now focus on the actual connection. Select your specific Xiaomi watch model in the app or scan the QR code displayed on the watch face. This ensures the app targets the right firmware and features. When the pairing code appears, confirm it on both devices to establish a secure link. The app will prompt for data sync and notification access. Accept these so calls, messages, and health data flow correctly. If you want automatic updates, enable background app refresh and keep Bluetooth on. Finish by letting the app complete the initial sync. Watch faces, alarms, and health settings may take several minutes to transfer, so be patient. If the app prompts a firmware update, install it and restart both watch and phone to finalize changes. This resolves many compatibility issues. If pairing fails, try simple troubleshooting. Toggle Bluetooth, force close the app, and reboot phone and watch, then attempt pairing again within 30 seconds. If problems persist, unpair previous devices in Bluetooth settings and retry the full process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.